I'm not trying to hit the bucket list or anything, saying, oh, this is what I've always wanted to do, but I want to keep active. I want to keep as if I didn't have cancer. I want to keep that mind frame, that positive feeling. Maybe I'm trying to prove something to myself that I can do it.
Come, follow the leaves, hide where I can find you. I'll let nobody else write the story for you.
My dad is one of the best people I know, and I'm gonna get emotional again. He can make friends with absolutely anybody. He could be in the grocery store and be best friends with the grocery clerk by the time, you know, he gets out of the grocery store.
Love, you're the only one I know, so please never let me go.
You're in the same position as they are in life. You're fighting cancer, and it's really emotional. You know, you have feelings for other people, eh? So. Comradeship.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I think my dad does hide his fear. You know, I'm sure he is fearful because it's the unknown, and cancer is a scary word.
I don't want the family to worry too much about it, so maybe I try to just keep it to myself. I know I can beat this, and I think it's very important to keep a positive attitude. I'm not Superman. Everybody's got issues in life, and everybody has setbacks and downfalls. This is a setback right now for me, and there's better things that are going to come up.